European Alliance for Apprenticeship Awards in Helsinki. Only found out in August that I'm going. I'm competing across Europe. My tutor and my workmates and my friends have been trying to help me out. We've still really been training for it, and really excited to go. The one goal at Worldskills UK in Birmingham was really great. Never expected it to happen. Pushed hard for it, done my heart best. The amount of stuff that I've learned so far in carpentry and joinery is amazing. I hope that really pushes me further to the future and help me in later life.
He's a great support to other students. Excellent. Courtesy, respect. The students look up to him. They come to him for support in the class. Couldn't ask for better. The encouragement for Samuel is go and enjoy it. He has worked so hard to get to this. His studying, after hours, night time, coming in extra days. Just go and enjoy the week, no matter what.
There's a public vote for the European Alliance for Apprenticeship Awards. I really love your vote. Vote for me. That will really give me support for it.